Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your account is eligible and logged in. This avoids lost progress or mismatched platforms. Once done, open the main menu and tap your profile or settings icon. That's where Referral tools live. Make sure you're on the same device and game version so options appear correctly. If you see a Referral or Invite section, tap it now. This is the entry point to generate a referral link and to view rewards and rules before inviting others. Next, press Generate or Create Referral Link and let the client produce your unique code. Then choose how to share. Copy to clipboard, send via social share, or select a platform icon. Pick the one your friend uses so clicks register. You can add a short personal message if the interface allows, which increases conversions. Make sure the link contains your player ID or referral code. This is how the system credits you when a new player signs up. Finally, share the link directly to friends, post it in communities, or use platform invites. Direct messages convert best. Then track activations and pending rewards on the referral panel so you know who completed requirements. Once a recruit fulfills the conditions, claim your rewards in the same area. If someone reports the link didn't credit them, reissue a fresh link and have them use it immediately. Also confirm they created a new account and didn't overwrite an
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.